Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Interface ESP8266-01 Wi-Fi module with Raspberry Pi Pico Relay Controller Home Automation. So here we are using ESP8266-01 Wi-Fi module, Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 board, RX and TX. Those are connected with 8 and 9 GPIO pin. 16x2 LCD display, RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we are using 4 relay coil. Those are connected with 18, 19, 20, 21. SPDT relay, single pole double throw relay. Purpose of the relay is to switch on the switch of the on and off the AC bulbs. Bulb 1, bulb 2, water pump and small DC fan. Let us coming into the hardware part. We are using 230 input step down transformer, 9 volts output AC, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, power supply board. So Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 board, 16x2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. ESP8266-01 Wi-Fi module we are using, and we are using one line driver AC to control the relay coils. Relay 1, relay 2, relay 1 AC bulb 1, relay 2 AC bulb 2, relay 3 one water pump, and relay 4 small DC motor, DC fan. Wi-Fi based home automation. So we are using Wi-Fi MCU app, which we need to control the appliances. So there should be a Wi-Fi module is connected, WTDC. Wi-Fi MCU app, bulb 1 on, bulb 1 off, bulb 2 on, bulb 2 off, pump on, pump off, fan on, fan off, relay 1 on. So here power supply board, L293D driver IC. Why we are using this? Raspberry Pi Pico is having 3.3 volts, relay coil having 5 volt. To control the appliances, the driver IC will control the relay coils. Bulb 2 will be off, pump on, pump off, fan on, fan off, bulb 1 on, bulb 2 on, all off, pump on, pump off, fan on, fan off. So this is our block diagram. Power supply board, Raspberry Pi Pico, LCD display, relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, relay 4, bulb 1, bulb 2, bulb 3. So fan on, AC pump and fan, ESP8266. So here Wi-Fi MCU app. So bulb 1 on, bulb 2 on, fan on, all off. Wi-Fi based home automation using ESP8266. Then coming to the Wi-Fi internet, click this Wi-Fi module. Once it is connected, and clear the screen, Wi-Fi, then bulb 1 on, bulb 1 off, bulb 2 on, bulb 2 off, pump on, pump off. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.